Liven App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about mental wellness apps is that most people download them and never use them. Liven aims to fix that in 2025 with a more interactive and habit-focused approach. Liven is a self-improvement and mental wellness app that blends psychology-based exercises, journaling, and daily challenges. Instead of passive meditation only, it encourages active reflection and behavioral change. When you open the app, you're guided through short day check-ins that adapt based on your mood and responses. This personalization helps users stay engaged longer than traditional wellness apps. One major advantage is structure. Liven breaks emotional growth into small, manageable steps, making it easier for beginners. Users often report improved emotional awareness within a few weeks of consistent use. However, most people get this wrong by expecting therapy-level support. Liven is not a replacement for professional mental health care. Some advanced users may also find the exercises repetitive over time. The app runs on a subscription model, and while pricing is competitive, it may feel unnecessary if you already use free journaling tools. In conclusion, Liven is best for people seeking guided self-reflection and emotional clarity without overwhelm. If you want daily accountability and simple mental fitness routines, it's worth exploring.